Here's a patient floor plan that's approximately 10,000 square feet. It's a picture or a raster or bitmap image. Note what happens when we attempt to zoom in on a raster image to see any level of detail, room name, room number, description of the area, etc. Note as we zoom in further that the dots that make up the image are starting to spread apart. That's called pixelation. We finally get to the point where the picture is indiscernible. Now let's view that same area on what we call a vector display. A vector map is like AutoCAD or any vector product that calculates the image based on mathematical formulas. So if you define a line, you basically define the starting and the ending point, and if you scale it up or down, it automatically redefines the mathematical definition of that line so that it doesn't pixelate. Note the vast difference. As you zoom in, it redefines that image so it's perfect at any zoom scale. If you extrapolate that out to floor plans that are much larger than 20,000 square feet, a vector map will allow you to zoom in on a floor plan that's in excess of 250,000 square feet and see perfect detail at any zoom scale. To help understand this better, here's an example of a 100,000 square foot floor plan. If one tried to zoom in on a raster image of a floor plan this large, especially to see a tag location anywhere on the floor plan, it would be impossible. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and show what I mean. Note that as we zoom in, the clarity is perfect at all zoom scales. We can still zoom into any area of the floor plan, and we could read the room labels and descriptions of areas. Very quickly having the ability to associate the tag's location on these larger floor maps. Here's one final example of trying to zoom in or see an alert on a whole site plan that's covering half a mile. Again, this wouldn't be possible on a raster image. Note, perfect detail at any zoom scale. Could actually zoom in to 1 square inch. These lines that are on the outside of the building are just enhancement lines that we placed for boundary recognition.